Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Investigation Discovery app step by step clearly. To activate the Investigation Discovery app, first, ensure you have a compatible device. Download the app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once the app is installed, open it on your device. You will be greeted by the app's welcome screen. Select the option to sign in or activate your subscription. If you already have an account, enter your login credentials. If you do not have an account, you may need to create one. Follow the prompts to fill in your information for account creation. After logging in, look for the activation option on the screen. You will be presented with an activation code. Make a note of this code, as you will need it soon. Now, visit the activation website provided on the app. Enter the activation code into the designated field on the website. Follow any additional instructions that appear on the screen. Once your code is accepted, your account will be activated. Return to the app on your device. You should now have full access to the content. Explore the app to enjoy your favorite shows and features. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.